Hello students, today we will discuss the poem The Shed by Frank Flynn. The poem is about the shed, which is a small room away from the main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. This is located at the bottom of the poet's garden. It is in the worst condition. His brother tells lie to him that there is a ghost inside the shed to keep him away from the shed or to keep the shed for himself. Stanza 1. There's a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I'm in bed, I lie and I listen. I'll open that door one day. The poet in these lines describes a shed that is at the bottom of his garden. There was a shed at the bottom of the poet's garden. The door was covered with spiders' webs. As hardly anybody used to go inside the shed, the hinges of the door joints had become rusty and used to make a lot of noise whenever the wind made them to move. The poet heard the creaky sound from the shed while lying in his bed. Yet the poet decided to open the door of the shed someday to witness everything by himself. Second stanza. There's a dusty old window around at the side with 3 cracked panes of glass. I often think there's someone staring at me each time that I pass. I'll peep through that window one day. In these lines, the poet expresses his wish to look inside the shed through the window. The poet further described that the windows of the shed were dusty and the window panes were cracked. The poet got the feeling that someone was staring at him whenever he used to pass through the shed. The poet decided to peep inside the shed through the window someday. My brother says there's a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head, but I'll take a peek one day. In these lines, the poet tells us how his brother warns him about the ghost inside the shed. The poet's brother tried to scare him away by telling him about the presence of the ghost inside the shed. He said that the ghost used to hide under the rotten floorboards, and if he dared to go inside the shed, the ghost would chop off his head. He still wished to step inside the shed one day and see everything by himself. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web. Since I don't know when, I'll go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet. The poet in these lines seems to understand the truth about the ghost. The poet understood that there was no ghost inside the shed. His brother rather told him a lie to use the shed for himself. He understood that there was actually nobody inside the shed. There was no one who used to stare or make noises. The spider was also no longer there. Therefore, the poet decided that soon he would go inside the shed, but he still waited for the right time to come. I hope so you understood the poem. Thank you. God bless you.